In this video, we will talk about anchor stage. Anchor stage is used to design your workflow. Here you can see this is anchor. So this is just a dot. It means this is used to link this with your another stage. So let's say here you can see currently we have designed this workflow in this way, but it doesn't look good. If you want to decorate your workflow in a better way, then we need to use this anchor stage. You can see here how I am doing here. Just take this link tool and just connect with this and just connect with this one. So if you want to connect here, you want to design like in this way, that you want to connect this first stage with this one, second with this, and fail with this, right? So you want one more anchor stage here so that you can connect this. Now we need one more anchor stage so that we can connect this fail. Let me delete this one, and now take a link, connect this with first, connect this fail with this one. Now you can design it in a very good manner. Just connect this and connect this, and now here it will come from this, so we will connect this. Okay, now you can see here it looks good. If you will run this process, you can see here, let's reset this, and now I am going to pass here, let's say 76, and run this. So you will see here it will go distinction, then this, again this, and this one. So there is no change in your process, only we have used this anchor stage just for the designing, and now you can see your workflow looks good now. Now in the next video we will talk about choice stage.